Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way in which you can add Google Analytics to your Shopify store. Adding Google Analytics to your Shopify store can be beneficial for multiple reasons. So let's jump into it. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that right now. Now it's very simple. So the first step you want to do is just to load up Shopify like I have here. And you just want to be on your dashboard where you can find your store. And then next up, you just want to go to the left hand side where there's all these options and just go to the very bottom where it says apps. Go ahead and click on that, and here it will show you all of the apps that you currently have installed. But as you can see, I haven't actually added Google Analytics yet. So what we want to type in is Google Analytics and then just click enter to search, and it will open a new tab here, and here it will give you a load of different results for Google Analytics. Now I'd suggest just choosing the one with the highest rating. So this one's got 57 4.8 stars, so we know we can trust this one. So what you have to do is click on it, and then all you have to do to install it is select install. It's that easy. As you can see, easily connect your store to Google Analytics 4 in under 2 minutes, no coding required. It's literally that easy. You just install it and the app has been added to your store. And as you can see with these photos, you'll be able to see things like this, which can be really beneficial. So I hope you found this video helpful and hope you successfully managed to add Google Analytics to your Shopify store. If you did, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.